Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Nepal. This is a video series of Fortran tutorial, and here I am ready with my terminal and text editor side by side. This time I have created a new file if.f95 where I will be writing a Fortran code, and don't forget to change your terminal directory to your project folder. Okay, today video is about the decision control in Fortran. Let's go and write some code. Decision control. Okay, let me write the program and I will give decision name, and it will do in program and implicit none. Okay, now let's use one statement, simple print statement, and let's say hello. Okay, if we run this program if.f95, okay, /a.out. okay, if we run this program, obviously we will get hello, but we don't want our program to execute this statement all the time. We want program to decide whether or not to execute this statement based on the provided condition. This is called decision control, and the decision control in Fortran can be done using the if statement. Let me first write a syntax for the if statement. So if statement syntax is, we write if, and inside the parenthesis we give a condition, okay, and if then, and we have to do end if, and here we write the statements. We can write many statement, one statement, or many statement. Okay, I will give two statement. Okay, so this is the if statement syntax. So first we have to do if, and we have to do end if, like we do program and in program. And here we have to provide a condition, and if that condition comes true, then execute these two statement inside the if. If that condition is false, then don't execute this statement. So let me give some practical example. I will use print statement, simple print statement, and I will give hello. Okay, you can have many statement you like, but this time I will be using single statement. Okay, now we want this print statement to be executed only when this condition is true. So let's try to give one condition. I will use relational operator to provide a condition. Let's say 10 and greater than 5. Now this is the condition, 10 greater than 5. Now if that condition is true, then the statement inside will be executed. If this condition gives false, then this statement will not be executed. Now let's check, is 10 greater than 5? Yes, 10 is greater than 5. That means this condition gives true value, so this statement will be executed. Now, and don't forget to give implicit none. This time actually not needed because we have not created any variable, but better to give. Okay, and the Fortran. Okay, so it says hello because the condition gives true value. Now let's change this condition. I'll give 2 equal sign. 2 equal sign means to check whether 10 is equal to 5 or not. Is 10 equal to 5? No. So this condition gives false value. That means this statement will not be executed. Now let's check and let's run. Okay, see, we don't get any answer. So in this way decision is controlled in a Fortran. You can give many more statement you like. I will say print and welcome. Okay, let's give logical value here. Okay, true. Now instead of giving condition, we directly give the value true or false, so we write true here. Now let's check. Okay, hello and welcome, both statements are executed because the condition is true. What if we give false here? Dot false false dot, don't forget to write 2 dots on either side. Okay, now let's run. Okay, see, we didn't get any result because two statements are not executed. So this is the syntax of for doing if statement. Now let's try this if condition using some variable also. Let's create one variable that can hold integer value, and I'll give the variable name age. Okay, let's first use the if statement, if, then, and end if, and we want to display you are welcome. Okay, now we will provide the condition if age is greater than 20. Okay, if age is greater than 20, then only you are welcome. So this is the statement we want to print it out based on the condition if age is greater than 20. Now let's provide the age value. I will give age value just 18. Okay, now if we run this, it will not display any text at all because this age is a variable and variable value comes here 18. Now is 18 greater than 20? False. So this statement will not be executed. Now let's give value of age more than 20. Let's say 25. Okay, now if we run this, we get you are welcome because age is 25. So 25 comes here. 25 greater than 20? Yes. It gives true. So this statement will be executed. So this is the way if statement works. Now we want certain statements to be executed even if the condition is false. So that can be done using the if else statement. So I'll write here if else statement. So this statement is of if. So if this happens, do this. But if that does not happen, that means if the condition is wrong, we have to show in a else. So else print, let's say you are not welcome. Okay, now let's give age value 15. Okay, let's run this. So it gives you are not welcome. So what happens here is age is equal to 15. So 15 comes here. 15 is 15 greater than 20? False. That means this if statement will not be executed. But if that is wrong, then else means execute this statement. So if the condition given in the if gets wrong, then we have other statement to execute, and we don't need to give any condition in the else, like in if, like this. We don't need to give anything there. Remember, this is a statement of if and this is the statement of else. So this statement is executed if that condition is true, and if that condition is false, this statement will be executed. So let me show you the same example using a logical value instead of variable. So I'll delete this. Now I will give here just true. So okay, now if we run this, we get you are welcome because this is true. So this is true means this statement will be executed. Now let me give here false, and let's say you are not welcome. So else statement will be printed out, and condition false means else statement will be executed. Now let me show you one more example of if and else. Let's make a program that prints out fail or pass. Let's give real value, and I will say marks. Okay, mark, and we will give certain marks here after some time. Let's give if statement, and whenever you write if, write and if also. Now we want to say passed, and else we want to say fail. Okay, We want to give condition here. Condition is if mark is greater or equal to 40. Okay, if mark is equal to greater or equal to 40, then you are passed. So let's give the mark this time 39. Let's see what happens. So it says fail, because if 39 is compared with 40, this will give false logical value. So else statement will be printed out. Now let's give 40. Let's check. We got passed. So 40 comes here. 40 is greater or equal to 40, means equal to 40. So this is true. So true means if statement executed. So passed displayed out. Okay, this much for this video. If you have any question, write down in the comment section below, and we will continue in the next video.